Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 20th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is Thanksgiving. Bear Says Thanks by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. All alone in his cave, Bear listens to the wind. He is bored, and he misses his friends. I could make a big dinner, a feast I could share. But he looks through his cupboard, and the cupboard is bare. The mouse stops by with a huckleberry pie, and the bear says, "Thanks." Bear says, "Goodness me, a delectable pie." "But I have made nothing," he adds with a sigh. Then they hear, "Hi-ho!" and they both see Hare with a big batch of muffins at the door of the lair. Hare hurries in from the cold, rushing wind, and the bear says, "Thanks." "Of course," says Hare, then he points to the door. "Here comes Badger, he's even got more." "Brrr," says Badger as he tromps inside. He sets down his pole and he smiles real wide. "I'm back from a stroll at the old fishing hole." And the bear says, "Thanks." Then Gopher and Mole tunnel up from the ground. "We have warm honey nuts, let's pass them around." There's a flap and a flitter and a flurry in the den, when in flutters Owl with Raven and Wren. "We have pears from the tree and herbs to brew tea." And the bear says, "Wait!" Bear mutters and he stutters and he wears a big frown. Bear sighs and he moans and he plops himself down. "You have brought yummy treats. You are so nice to share. But me, I have nothing. My cupboards are bare." Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret. There's enough to your bear. You don't need any food. You have stories to share." His friends hug him tight. "It will be all right." And the bear says, "Thanks." They lay out their feast on a quilt on the ground, and the bear takes a seat while his friends gather round. In a cave in the woods, in a warm, bright lair, the friends feel grateful for their good friend Bear. They pass around platters and they tweet and they chatter. And they all say thanks. The end. We're going to make a slice of pumpkin pie, and all you'll need is a glue stick and your Craft-to-Go kit, which includes a wedge of a paper plate to be the pie. We have 3 cotton balls. Those will be your whipped cream. I'll set those way over to the side. And you have orange and brown squares to make the pie crust and the pie. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the brown squares and set them aside because I want to do the crust first. I'm sorry they got so mixed together. It's just the way of plastic bags. So all we're going to do is put some glue up around the edge. And stick our brown pieces up there. You see? And it's fine to overlap them like I am. I think I'm going to do 2 layers of the brown before I start the orange. Give it a nice crust. probably use too much glue stick again, but hey, when don't I? So when that's finished, we'll start the orange. Okay, so now I'm starting on the orange. And I'm just gonna keep going until my pie is full. And then we'll work on the whipped cream, which is the cotton balls. Okay, now I have one little piece left here. I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it and then rip it. It's not gonna be perfect, but and we'll glue that guy on. Oops, I hope you can hear the bells there. I guess I shouldn't have started this just before noon. I'm gonna put one more here because it'll look nicer if it's overlapped. Okay, then we just need to glue on the cotton balls. I'm gonna put those right in the middle of the pie. So just stick some glue. And there's one, there's two, and there's three. And that's all there is to it. Pumpkin pie.